Meaning of discuss.
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 Discuss. To discuss means to talk about a particular topic or issue with others in order to exchange ideas, opinions, and perspectives. Through discussion, people can explore different viewpoints, clarify misunderstandings, and reach a better understanding of the matter at hand. It is a valuable way to learn from one another and make progress towards solutions or decisions. Discussions can take place in various settings including academic, social, and professional contexts, and can be facilitated through various methods such as formal debates, informal conversations, or online forums.